In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import bank transactions into Notion using a CSV file. By the end, you'll have your transactions organized in a Notion database where you can sort, filter, and track your finances. First, download your bank transactions as a CSV file from your bank's website or app. If your transactions are in Excel or Google Sheets, save the file in CSV format before importing it into Notion. Next, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to store your transactions. Click Import from the sidebar or type CSV on a page and select CSV from the menu. Choose your CSV file and wait for Notion to import it. Once the import is complete, your transactions will appear as a new database with each row representing a transaction and each column matching the data from your CSV file. You can now rename columns, change property types, add filters, sort transactions by date or amount, and create views that make it easier to analyze your spending. If the data doesn't import correctly, make sure your file is saved in CSV format. Check that the first row contains column headers and verify that your dates and numbers use a standard format. That's how to import bank transactions into Notion. Thanks for watching.